What's up, guys and gals? Welcome to my new waste oil burner. Haven't tested out yet, but it seems like have a few design flaws. Because I believe that this thing here, this particular low pressure valve, where that this is for comes off a compressor, so a whole refrigerant sort of setup. So this goes to the refrigerant goes through here in low pressures and goes into the evaporator, I guess, and transfers heat. Anyway, but I use that, so it's kind of really thin. So I'm trying to see if the viscosity of oil is gonna allow it to get through here. I would have to heat it up, which I had other ways of doing that too. I may have to filter out the actual waste oils from different places. Wherever I get waste oil, you can burn it on anything, but then I have to filter that out, and then also heat it up to make sure that it's nice and liquidy to go through that. Then I'd probably have to give it some pressure. Maybe we'll probably get an oil pump thing, those manual oil pump canisters. Anyway, so well, actually, where I got this from, it was a piece that's coming off the condenser of the cold and hot water machine that I got this from, that I took apart, that I found in the garbage. So anyway, took that apart to cut a piece. The piece is about up to here. So the design flaw was I wanted to be like close to the actual nozzle of this to the ending, which this goes all the way to the end, but this goes up to here. So I wanted to see if maybe if inside that there's gonna is it gonna atomize correctly, and it's just I don't know. I gotta check it out. I gotta try it. So it's possible. It's what I had. It's one of those bicycle one-way valve. You could put in high pressure and coming out there is gonna be, and then the waste oil is gonna be coming down there, and it's just gonna be going and whatever I'm gonna have. Well, I was thinking I don't have an air compressor, but being that I found that thing that has a compressor on it, so I've seen a lot of videos for actual trying to build a silent air compressor, and why not? I think I'll find one out there too, and I think I'll start building that on that node. But I needed some sort of chamber, compression chamber. I also found this inside there. This is really neat. I love it. This right here is a water heater. Yeah. And I could actually heat oil with this thing, most likely. Then it also has some high pressure cutoff valves, and it also has a little breaker there to jump out if it gets too hot or whatever have you. And yeah, this thing is really neat. I have a lot of uses for it. I would love to, but mostly right now would be just to probably keep the oil, and certain thing. I was gonna use it as some sort of pressure chamber, but then it has two holes up there. It puts a gauge up there. Put some sort of threaded connection up there, and these would be input and outputs. You can do a lot. Then it has a little valve underneath there, drain valve. But for right now, it's it's open. A lot of things is open for that. So, all right. So this is my first crack at that. Hopefully I go bring my compressor fast enough to my silent compressor fast enough to test it out for you guys and to see what type of heat this makes. Thanks for watching, and like the video.